So we're going to refer back to this right after we mess with Rhino a little bit. So if you haven't already, go ahead and save what you have and then start a new document. Okay, you can name it sun. Should be in feet, inches. Wait a minute, small object, inches.
Is it okay if we put inches, feet, inches?
Actually, no, just put inches because AutoCAD is going to work in inches. Oh, duh, I don't need to do that. Just go in inches and open up there and set your setting to make sure that the units are in inches. And I'm going to put the display as feet and inches because that's easily understood. And then say OK. And the grid, I don't really care what the grid is right now. What I'm going to do is to draw a circle. So you could draw a circle using the circle tool. And it is going to be from center out. So it's going to say, what is the center of the circle? I'm going to draw it at the 0, 0. Enter. And let's draw it out. Our box is going to be 30 by 30 by 30, so it should be a little bit bigger than that. Let's do 100 feet. And there it is. So there's my circle that it's at 100 feet. If I have it on top view, perfectly fine. I'm going to draw a single line from the center to the quadrant point, just pointing north. Okay, so go ahead and draw a line. Polyline, line segment, doesn't really matter. From 0, 0, enter. And then I'm going to turn the ortho on. Perpendicular. Let me do this. Let me just go past it and then enter. Trim this just to make it look clean. All I really want is to make sure that this is going straight up, 0. Okay. So the numbers that we jotted down, let's just start in the summer so that we could draw a line somewhere there. What we're going to do is to rotate this line 60 degrees, 60.66 degrees towards this direction. To do that, we could type in rotate, enter. Of course, I have to activate that view. Rotate, enter. Select object to rotate. I'm going to select this line right here. When I'm done, I'm going to hit enter. And for this, I'm going to say copy yes because I want to keep the original line. So click on that and it'll say copy yes. Center of my rotation is at the end point of that line, and I have the endpoint on my OSNAP activated, so I'm going to select right there, and there it is. First angle of reference, I'm going to select this intersection right there. Get rid of this perp because that's really screwing me up. Okay, intersection right there, and click. And notice that I could start to, after I click, I can move the mouse and it's giving me this angle, right? For this, we might turn the ortho off right now so that it'll be a smoother turn. Notice that it's cranking, and down here, take a look at this portion right here. Notice the numbers changing. I want to go this way, right, clockwise, and it's giving me a negative number. What it's supposed to be is a positive number, 60.66. But I'll just let it go and play along with what Rhino wants. So I'm going to type in negative 60.66 and then enter. and it gave me that line right there. If you don't do anything else, you're still in that command of copy rotate. So the sunset is going to happen at 299, and if I rotate this thing right here, it is going to a negative number still, so I'm going to type in the negative number, negative 299.33. Enter. And then I'll hit enter again because I'm done, and I got these two lines. What this is on the point of Earth, in the perspective view, top view, it's easier to see in the top view, this is where the sun is rising on the horizon. The circle is a little bit arbitrary. I mean, it does, define this arc, but it is arbitrary. But on point right here, at that location is where the sun's going to rise on the horizon. Okay?